Tired of being stuck in a Jira project you don't need? Learn how to archive it in under a minute. I'll show you exactly where to click to leave any Jira project. Just follow these simple steps. So the first thing you want to do is open your Jira account. This is where you land when you first log in. You'll see your dashboard, all your recent projects, and that list of things you've been working on. Now, this step seems obvious, but it's important because we need to start from the right place. Just go ahead and sign in if you haven't already. All right, now that you're in, let's find the project you want to get rid of. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a panel with a list of your projects. It might be labeled something like Projects or Recent. Go ahead and click on the project name itself. This will open it up and take you inside. And here's the thing. Once you're inside that project, we can actually make the change. If you're looking at the wrong project, just click back and pick the right one. Now, this is the crucial part. Look at the top of your project view, right next to the project's name. You should see 3 little dots. They look like a small horizontal menu button. Click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with a bunch of options. Don't worry about all of them. We're looking for one specific thing. From that menu, you need to select Archive Space. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this the same as deleting it? Not exactly. Archiving is like putting a project in storage. The data is still there, just hidden away from your main view. Your dashboard gets cleaner, and nobody gets confused by seeing a project that's no longer active. It's the safest way to remove it without losing any work. After you click Archive Space, a confirmation window will pop up. This is Jira's way of making sure you really want to do this. Click the Archive button to confirm. And that's it. Seriously. The project will disappear from your main project list, and your dashboard will look a whole lot cleaner. Give it a second to process. Jira might take a moment to update everything. Once it's done, you'll notice the project is gone from your sidebar. No more clutter, no more confusion. You're free to focus on the projects that actually matter. So to recap, open your Jira account, find the project on the left panel, click those 3 dots next to the project name, choose Archive Space, and confirm with a single click. That's all it takes. In my experience, this is one of those things that's really simple once you know where to look, but it can be incredibly frustrating when you're hunting for it on your own. Now you know exactly where to click. Thanks for sticking with me through this. Go ahead and clean up that dashboard. You've earned it.